Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to replace the battery on a Buick Enclave. I believe 2008 to 2021 models, as well as some GMC Acadia, I believe, Chevy Traverse. Anyways, you'll have to remove the carpet, part of the carpet in the second row, which will reveal another cover that is connected to the floor with just a T25 Torx screw. So you'll need a Torx bit or a socket to remove that. And you'll also have to get the plastic cover out, which is right behind it and to the right. And if it is the original battery, chances are it doesn't have a handle. And in this case, the battery has died in the front passenger seat. Part of it is over where the battery is, so taking it out is kind of difficult, but doable. You'll need 10mm sockets to remove the two battery terminals, and there's a connector too that you just press a tab and remove it, and put the cables on the side. There's a battery vent tube that you'll have to take out. So the order of removal is, or I should say installation is the reverse of removal, but you remove the negative or the black battery cable first, followed by the red or positive, and which is right under a red plastic cover. There are two tabs on two sides that you press in order to lift up the cover to reveal the nut. Again, with a 10mm socket, you remove that. And to not lose the nuts, you can just put them back loosely. Put the cable to the side, and then there's a 13mm nut that will that is holding battery to the floor. You need a long socket extension to get to it, and so if it doesn't have a handle, the battery, it's kind of difficult to remove it. And as you can see to the left of this screen, that's where it's now cut. Right above it is the seat. And so very little room. But if you don't have the strength to pull it up, then you may want to get a couple of ropes maybe underneath the battery, thread it under the battery into the other side, and then lift it up with that. Remove this little plastic tubing from the left side of the battery, and there is a cover, a plastic white cover to the right. You'll need to install these on the new battery, which I'm doing right now. Press that. And this new battery is from Walmart in the US, which is quite a bit cheaper than getting it from the auto parts stores in the US. I priced them in AutoZone and Advance Auto, O'Reilly's, Napa. Couldn't get this Barry for less than $250, but Walmart had it for I believe $185, and it's a very good Barry. And then so first you reinstall, reconnect the red cable first, followed by the black, and then the bottom nut to tie the Barry back to the floor, and replace the covers and the carpeting, and you're done. I hope you find this video of use, and talk to you later. Bye bye.